Getting the back cleaned up. Back seat has come up really well. Getting all the trim out. Just got to do this floor here.
That's for another day.
This is cleaning up really easy, is it? Ow. That's sharp. Right, first job. Get this bull bar off. Got some bloody big bolts holding it on. But it should come off, hopefully pretty easily. So we've got the two pots off the top. These are looking actually in pretty good condition. So now we just got to get the carbs, each carb off. So take the mechanism off and lift them out. Then we'll clean up the floats, and then hopefully tomorrow, when it's a bit lighter, we can get it running. So what I'm doing here is something incredibly thrilling, which is called cleaning a spark plug. And for that we've got this brass wire brush, and I'm basically just going around and getting all the carbon off. Yeah, it's good to get the threads clean, get the washer clean. I know it's a crush washer, but I'm going to be cheap and I'm not going to replace it. But also just clean up the electrode, and then we can gap them. Look at that, that's way cleaner now. When you look at what I'm taking out, you know, mucky, dirty, to a nice clean spark plug. So to gap them, use the correct method, or you can use the incorrect method and get the same result. So this one is loose. This is a hacksaw blade for the uninformed. There we go. And that is now gapped.
Let me get some brake cleaner.
Oh yeah.
It won't flick it up enough just to give
Brake cleaner, yeah.
Yeah,
There's no petrol coming out, is there?
sorry?
And I was just checking.
Yeah.
We might have to touch that thing on still. Right, ready?
Hang on, let's just put that on then. Go on then.
I can hear petrol.
Oh yeah. Carb is still gripping a little bit.
Yeah.
That
Well,
must be the seals on them
yeah.
covers because we've disturbed them. Keep it running. What you got? Take the oil pressure in that.
So none of the lights are on.
We'll make your oil pressure.
Oh. Oil pressure, no. None of the gauges are working.
Where's the horn? Quick. Oh, it doesn't work.
That ain't working either.
Warm up for a minute. It's not on all eight. I think she's on 7.
Well, I've only done half the
Yeah.
plugs.
Ah.
I'll do the rest of them.
Better.
We'll just be gentle with everything about.
Yeah.